today's class, we are going to learn the equations of the form f of d of y equal to capital X, where capital X equal to x to the power of m being a positive integer. Equations of the form f of d of y equal to capital X, where capital X equal to x to the power of m being a positive integer. In this class, we are going to learn about particular integral of equations f of d of y equal to capital X, where capital X equal to x to the power of m, and solutions of the equations of the form f of d of y equal to capital X, where capital X equal to x to the power of m being a positive integer. Next. First, particular integral of pi of equations of the form f of d of y equal to capital X, where capital X equal to x to the power of m being a positive integer. So, what is the particular integral of f of d of y equal to capital X when capital X equal to x to the power of m is a positive integer? F of d of y equal to capital X, that is 1 pi equal to 1 by f of dx to the power of m. Then how to do the problem? Next slide we will. That is working rule to find evaluate particular integral. So first in 1 by f of d, in the denominator f of d, take out the lowest degree term so that remaining factor in the denominator is of the form 1 plus or minus function of d, pi of d whole to the power of n, where n is a positive integer. In the first step, we need to take lowest degree term. Common, take it out. Lowest degree term is a common, so that we have to convert the denominator in the form of 1 plus or minus pi d whole to the power of n. 1 plus or minus pi of d whole to the power of n. Then next step 2, we take 1 plus or minus pi of d whole to the power of n in the numerator, so that it takes the form, numerator means plus, n means minus n, 1 plus or minus pi of d whole to the power of minus n. Take it as a numerator. Next, expand 1 plus or minus pi of d whole to the power of minus 9 by binomial theorem, ascending powers of d up to the term containing d to the power of m, since remaining d to the power of m plus 1 x to the power of m derivatives so as and zeros. Next, third step, expand 1 plus pi of d whole to the power of minus n by using binomial theorem. And here x to the power of m, so derivative of m plus 1th derivative of x to the power of m plus 2 derivative of x to the power of m, all the values are 0, so we have to take up to d to the power of m. Then last step, differentiate term by term. Total 4 steps. First one is that we have to take lowest degree term of f of d common and convert the denominator into 1 plus or minus pi of d whole to the power of n. And second step, take it out, this 1 plus or minus pi of d whole to the power of n into numerator, we get 1 plus or minus pi of d whole to the power of minus n. Next, expand this 1 plus or minus pi of d whole to the power of minus n into, by using binomial theorem, powers of d, ascending powers of d, and up to d to the power of m. Next is differentiate term by term. Okay, we get the solution. So before going to this one, we have some formulas, basic formulas. Remember the following binomial expansions. 1 minus d whole to the power of minus n equal to 1 plus d square plus d cube plus dash dash. 1 plus d whole to the power of minus 1 equal to 1 minus d plus d square minus d cube plus d to the power of 4 plus so on. In the first one, if both are minus, all will come place. Here, power is minus 1 alternating positive and negative. 1 minus d whole to the power of minus 2 is 1 plus 2d plus 3d plus 3d square plus 4d cube plus 5d to the power of 4 plus dash dash. Next, 1 plus d whole to the power of minus 2 equal to 1 minus 2d plus 3d square minus 4d cube plus 5d to the power of 4 minus dash dash. 1 minus d whole to the power of minus 3 equal to 1 plus 3d plus 6d square plus 10d cube plus 15d to the power of 4 plus so on. 1 plus d whole to the power of minus 3 equal to 1 minus 3d plus 6d square minus 10d cube plus 15d to the power of 4 minus dash. Remember this formula, see directly we can expand. Let us move for problems. Before going to the problems, I will explain these 4 steps. First step, convert f of d lowest in the form of 1 plus or minus y of d whole to the power of n. For this, we have to take lowest degree term as a common. And next, after converting f of d into 1 plus or minus y of d whole to the power of n, take it this term into numerator, we get 1 plus or minus pi of d whole to the power of minus n. Next, expand. Third step, expand 1 plus or minus pi of d whole to the power of n by binomial theorem or these formulas directly and up to d to the power of n and differentiate term by term. So first step is converting 1 pi of f of d into 1 plus or minus pi of d whole to the power of n and bring into numerator we get whole to the power of minus n and expand and then differentiate term by term. How means we will see in the problems. Okay. First problem. Find particular integral of d square plus 4 of y equal to x cube. Okay. So given differential equation d square plus 4 of y equal to x cube. So compare given equation 1 with f of d of y equal to x. We get f of d equal to d square plus 4 capital X equal to x cube. So here it is asked to find only particular integral yp equal to 1 by 1 by f of d capital X equal to 1 by d square plus 4 of x cube. Here x cube means here x to the power of m form. So lowest term in f of d we have d square plus 4. Two terms are there, d square plus 4. Here lowest term is, and degree term is 4. So 4 is the common. 4 common, we get 1 plus d square by 4. This bring this to numerator and denominator term 1 by 4 into 1 plus d square by 4 whole to the power of minus 1 x cube. Then expand this term by formula, that is 1 by 4 1 plus d square by 4 whole to the power of minus 1 x cube. So we know the formula 1 plus d whole to the power of minus 1 equal to 1 minus d plus d square minus d cube plus dash dash. Instead of d we have here d square by 4. So substituting in this 1 by 4, 1 minus d means d square by 4 plus d square by 4 whole square minus d square by 4 whole cube plus dash dash up to x cube. So expanding this, simplifying this one, we get 1 by 4, 1 minus d square by 4 minus d square by 4 whole square means d square d to the power of 4 by 16 minus d to the power of 6 by 64 plus dash dash x cube. Neglecting d to the power of 4, d to the power of 4, 5, d to the power of 6 terms because here we have x cube degree 3. So fourth derivative of x cube, fifth derivative of x cube, sixth derivative and so on, all the values are 0. So neglecting that higher order terms, if it is x to the power of 10, we have to take up to d to the power of 10 because 11th order derivative onwards it is 0. Here third order degree, so fourth order it is 0. only up to d cube. Here we have up to d cube means 1 minus d square by 4. So 1 by 4, 1 minus d square by 4 of x cube. Next, differentiate term by term. So 1 by 4, 1 minus d square by 4 x cube. So multiplying 1 by 4, 1 into x cube, 1 by 4 coefficient d square of x cube. Next, 1 by 4 as it is, x cube as it is, 1 by 4 d square of x cube, the second derivative. First derivative is 3x square, second derivative is 6x. 3 by 2x we get 1 by 4 x cube minus 3 by 2 x. This is the particular integral. Okay. So in this first we have to take lowest term. In the f of d, take lowest term is the common. Here lowest term is the 4. 4 is the common. We converted the f of d in the form of 1 plus d square by 4. Then bring this denominator into numerator, we get minus 1 and expand that is by using binomial theorem. Means it is, we have the formulas 1 plus d whole to the power of minus 1, 1 minus d plus d square minus d cube plus dash dash. And in the place of d we have d square by 4 expanded and taking up to here. Here we have x cube means degree 3. So we have to take up to degree 3 term only. Because fourth order derivative of x cube onwards, fourth, fifth, sixth and so on derivatives are 0. So we need to take up to d cube only. But here we have up to d square, no d cube term. So 1 minus d square by 4. 1 minus d minus 4. So we have to take 1 by 4. Multiplication 1 by 4 x cube minus 1 by 4 d square of x cube. Derivative of x, second order derivative of x cube is 6x. That is the particular integral. Next we will move on to next problem. Find the particular integral of d square plus 31 of y equal to capital X. Given differential equation d square plus 31 of y equal to x. Equation 1. So compare equation 1 with standard form f of d of y equal to capital X. We get f of d equal to d square plus 31, capital X equal to small x. So particular integral yp equal to 1 by f of d of capital X, that is 1 by d square plus 31 of x. X to the power of m here means x to the power of 1. So take lowest term is common. So 31 is a common. 31 is outside. 1 plus d square by 31 of x. And take this term 1 plus d square by 31 to numerator. We get 1 by 31 as it is. 1 plus d square by 31 whole to the power of minus 1 of x. Then using the formula 1 by 31, 1 plus d square by 31 of x. Then formula 1 plus d whole to the power of minus 1 is 1 minus d plus d square minus d cube plus dash dash. In the place of d, here we have d square by 31. So 1 by 31 as it is outside, 1 minus d square by 31 plus d square by 31 whole square minus dash dash of x. Here we have only term of degree 1. So neglecting the terms d square, d cube, d to the power of 4, all the terms, because second order derivatives onwards, this of x, third order, fourth order, all the derivatives of x are 0. So here only up to d means only we have 1. So 1 by 31, 1 into x, that is 1 by 31 of x, that is 31 x by 31. This is the particular integral. Okay, look at the problem. Next we will move on to next. First we have to take lowest term is the common. Next it bring this term into all component f of d in terms of numerator. We will get minus all to the power of minus 1, minus 2 like that, and expand that by using formulas. We have 6 formulas. Then differentiate term by term. Term by term, here up to here x power is 1, so we need to take only up to d terms, because second order derivative, third order derivative, fourth order derivative and so on of x is equal to 0. No need to expand it. Here we get only 1 is the term, so that is 1 into x by 31. Next we will move on to next is the particular integral problems. Next, the solutions of the equations. So solve the differential equation d square plus 1 of y equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. So given differential equation, that is d square plus 1 of y equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. So compare equation 1 with f of d of 1 y equal to capital X with standard form. So we get f of d equal to d square plus 1 and capital X equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. General solution of equation 1 is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral, that is yc plus yp. So complementary function, that is auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0. F of m means m square plus 1 equal to 0. So m square equal to minus 1. So m equal to plus or minus square root of minus 1. Square root of minus 1 means I. That is 0 plus or minus I. That is a plus ib form, where a equal to 0, b equal to 1 means roots are complex roots. Roots are complex roots. So solution yc equal to e to the power of ax c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx. Complex roots we get e to the power of ax into c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx, where a equal to 0, b equal to 1. So substituting in this one, yc equal to e to the power of 0x ax plus c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx, a equal to 0, b equal to 1. So we get yc equal to e to the power of 0x into c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. E to the power of 0x means 1. So yc equal to complementary function equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Next, particular integral pi, that is yp equal to 1 by f of dx, that is 1 by d square plus 1 x square plus 2x plus 1. Here instead of only one term x to the power of m, here it has a polynomial. All the terms are x square plus 2x plus 1. So take it as a one function, total one. No need to do separately, because all the functions are same polynomial only. So we have to do it. So first, 1 by 1 plus d square plus x square plus 2x plus 1. Here in the denominator already one term is there, it is already in the form of 1 plus d, no need to take common. So because we have to convert in 1 plus or minus pi of d, means here we have here 1, so 1 plus d square. Bring it into numerator, 1 plus d square whole to the power of minus 1 x square plus 2x plus 1. So using the formula 1 plus d whole to the power of minus 1, it is 1 minus d plus d square minus d cube plus dash dash. Here in the place of d we have d square. So expanding it, 1 minus d square plus d square whole square minus d square whole cube plus dash dash x square 2x plus 1. Next, simplifying, we get 1 minus d square minus d square plus d square whole square minus dash dash x square plus 2x plus 1. Here we have to take highest power of x is x square, means up to d square only. Remaining terms are neglecting the remaining terms. Higher order terms of d cube, d to the power of 4 plus dash dash terms. So that is we get 1 only here, up to d cube means 1 minus d square, that is 1 minus d square of x square plus 2x plus 1. So 1 into this one x square plus 2x plus 1 minus d square of this one x square plus 2x plus 1. So x square plus 2x plus 1 as d square means second order derivative. So first derivative is 2x x square derivative, 2x derivative 2, 1 derivative is 0. Next derivative, second 2x derivative is 2, 2 derivative is 0, means only 2. Second derivative of x square plus 2x plus 1 is 2. So x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2 means minus 1, that is x square plus 2x minus 1. So that is general solution of equation 1 is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral, that is y equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus x square plus 2x plus 1. This is the solution of the given differential equation. Here it is a complementary function c1 cos x plus c2 sin x and particular integral x square plus 2x minus 1. So general solution is combination of complementary function plus particular integral c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus x square plus 2x minus 1. Let us move on to next problem. Solve d square minus 6d plus 9 of y equal to e to the power of 2x plus e to the power of 3x plus x square. So given differential equation d square minus 6d plus 9 of y equal to e to the power of 2x plus e to the power of 3x plus x square. So compare equation 1 with standard form f of d of y equal to capital X. We get f of d equal to d square minus 6d plus 9. Capital X equal to e to the power of 2x plus e to the power of 3x plus x square. Here two functions, e to the power of ax form and x square form. So general solution of equation 1 is complementary function plus particular integral, that is yc plus yp. So first complementary function, that is auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0. So m square minus 6m plus 9 equal to 0. This is a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is m minus 3 whole square equal to 0. So m equal to 3 comma 3. So roots are real and equal. So solution complementary function here c1 plus c2x e to the power of mx. M means here 3. So c1 plus c2x e to the power of 3x. It is the complementary function. Next particular integral 1 by f of d yp equal to 1 by f of d. So 1 by f of d of x, that is 1 by d square minus 6d plus 9 e to the power of 2x plus e to the power of 3x plus x square. So here we have three functions, so three separate particular integrals. First one 1 by d square minus 6d plus 9 means d minus 3 whole square e to the power of 2x. Next 1 by d minus 3 whole square e to the power of 3x. Next 1 by d minus 3 whole square x square. It means here e to the power of ax. In this 2 e to the power of ax means we need to substitute d equal to a. D equal to a means here 2, so 2 minus 3 whole square. Here in the second one d equal to a means 3, 3 minus 3 means it is 0, means undefined. So we have to use the formula. How many times the factor is getting 0? 2 times whole square. So we have the formula x square by 2 factorial e to the power of ax e to the power of 3x. And here we have to take least term is the common, minus 3 is the common. Minus 3 common means it is whole square. We get 9 outside. 1 minus d by 3 whole square x square. This is 2 minus 3 whole square means 1, minus 1 whole square means 1 e to the power of 2x. X square by 2 factorial means x square by 2 e to the power of 3x. 1 by 9. Bring this into numerator. 1 minus d by 3 whole to the power of minus 2x square. So here we have to use 1 minus d whole to the power of minus 2 formula. 1 plus 2d plus 3d square plus 4d cube plus dash dash. Expand the expansion. We have the formula 1 plus 2d plus 3d square plus 4d cube dash dash. Then we get these two terms are same, e to the power of 2x plus x square by 2 plus e to the power of 3x plus 1 by 9 outside. 1 plus 2 into d by 3 plus 3 into d square plus 9 plus dash dash x square. We have here x square term only, so neglecting d cube d to the power of 4 terms, because derivative of higher order derivatives of x square means d cube derivative, third order, fourth order derivatives are 0. So e to the power of 2x plus x square by 2 e to the a to the power of 3x 1 by 9 d square means up to here only 1 plus 2d by 3 plus 1 by 3 d square of x square. So e to the power of 2x x square by 2 e to the power of 3x 1 by 9 1 into x square plus 2 by 3 d of x square plus 1 by 3 d square of x square. D of x square, derivative of x square is 2 square 2x, second order derivative of x square is 2 times 2x derivative 2, and simplifying we get yp equal to e to the power of 2x plus x square by 2 e to the power of 3x 1 by 27 3x square plus 4x plus 2, that is the particular integral. So general solution of equation 1 is y equal to yc plus yp, that is c1 plus c2x e to the power of 3x plus e to the power of 2x plus x square by 2 plus e to the power of 3x into e to the power of 3x plus 1 by 27 3x square plus 4x plus 2. This is the answer. Okay. First we have to identify solution for complementary function, that is solution of f of d of y equal to 0. Here we got equal roots, so solution, and particular integral, and here we particular integral we have three functions, so separate three integrals, e to the power of ax form, e to the power of ax form, and e to the power x square form, x to the power of m form. Expanding we get the solution. Neglecting the d square term, here x square means neglecting d cube, d to the power of 2 term, d to the power of 4 terms, and remaining will be the simplifying derivative, differentiating term by term, and simplifying we get the answer. Let us move to next problem. Solve d square plus 2d of y equal to x square. So given differential equation d square plus 2d of y equal to x square, take it as equation 1. Compare equation 1 with f of d of y equal to capital X. We get f of d equal to d square plus 2d, capital X equal to x square. So general solution of equation 1 is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral, that is yc plus yp. So for complementary function, so f of d of y equal to 0, solution of f of d of y equal to 0 means we need to identify auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0, that is m square plus 2m equal to 0. In the d we have to substitute m. M is the common, m into m plus 2 equal to 0, so m equal to 0 comma minus 2. So complementary function here roots are real and distinct or different, so y equal to c1 e to the power of m1x plus c2 e to the power of m2x. m1 equal to 0, m2 equal to minus 2. So complementary function c1 e to the power of 0x plus c2 e to the power of minus 2x. e to the power of 0x means 1. So c1 plus c2 e to the power of minus 2x. Next, particular integral. It is complementary function. Next, particular integral 1 by f, yp equal to 1 by f of d capital X, that is 1 by d square plus 2d of x square. Here lowest term 2d is the common, we get 1 plus d square by 2d of x square. d square by 2d means d by 2, 1 d square 1 d cancel, d by 2 2d. Bring it into numerator, 1 by 2d, 1 plus d by 2 all to the power of minus 1 x square. So it is of the form 1 plus d all to the power of minus 1. So 1 minus d plus d square minus d cube plus dash dash. In place of d we have d minus 2. So expand 1 by 2d, 1 minus d by 2 plus d by 2 whole square plus d by 2 whole cube plus dash dash. Instead of d by 2. And expanding we get 1 by 2 into 1 by d of 1 by d by 2 plus d square by 4 plus d cube by 8 plus dash dash. Here we have up to x square, so neglect the higher order terms d cube d to the power of 4 because derivatives are 0. So 1 by d, 1 by 2 into 1 by d, 1 by d minus 2 plus d square by 4 of x square. So differentiate term by term, 1 by 2, 1 by d into 1 into x square, 1 by 2 into d of x square, 1 by 4 into d square of x square. So x square is as it is, 1 by 2 of derivative of x square is 2x. Second order derivative of x square, 2x derivative 2. So 2 cancel here. Here 2 is 4. So 1 by 2, 1 by d of x square minus x plus 1 by 2. Next 1 by d. 1 by d of means d means derivative. 1 by d means integration. Inverse of derivative. So integration, that is 1 by 2. X square integration x cube by 3. X integration x square by 2. 1 by 2 integration 1 by 2 x. We get LCM is the 6. 6 is the LCM. 2x cube minus 3x square plus 3x. Okay, here x cube by 1 by 2, x cube minus x by 3 minus x square by 2 plus 1 by 2 of x. So 1 by 2 of 6 is LCM. We get 2x cube minus 3x square plus 3x. 6 into 2, 12. That is x square plus minus 3x plus 3. X is also common. X square plus 3x plus 3. Here 2x square. Sorry. 2x square plus x, only x is common. 6 into 2, 12. X is also common. So 2x square minus 3x plus 3. So therefore general solution y equal to yc plus yp, that is c1 plus c2 e to the power of minus 2x, that is plus x by 12, 2x square minus 3x plus, okay. Here printing mistake, we have to get 2x square. Here also solution also we have to get 2x square. Okay, x by 12. That is the particular integral and total solution. So here we are taking complementary solution, means complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function means solution of f of d of y equal to 0. We got here m equal to 0 comma minus 2 roots. So roots are real and different. It is a solution c1 plus c2 e to the power of minus 2x. Next, particular integral 1 by f of d of capital X, that is 1 by d square plus 2d of x square. Here lowest term is 2d. 2d is common and proceeding as in the semester. D common and 1 plus d by 2, bring it into the numerator, all to the power of minus 1, expand it, and up to here we have x square. So take it as up to d square terms only, neglecting d cube terms, and differentiating term by term we get this one, and we have 1 by d means integration integration and with integration we get the answer, and that is pi. So y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. That is the answer. Next, let us move on to next problem. Solve d square plus 4 of y equal to x plus sin x. Okay. So given differential equation d square plus of 4 of y equal to x plus sin x. X plus sin x, not 2x, x plus sin x. So equation 1. So compare equation 1 with standard form f of d of y equal to capital X. We get f of d equal to d square plus 4, capital X equal to x plus sin x. So general solution of equation 1 is y equal to cf plus pi, that is yc plus yp. So complementary function means solution of f of d of y equal to 0, that is auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0, that is m square plus 4 equal to 0, m square equal to minus 4. So m equal to plus or minus square root of minus 4. So root 4 means 2, square root of minus 1 means I, means plus or minus 2i, that is 0 plus or minus 2i, a plus or minus ib, a equal to 0, b equal to 2, complex roots. So solution m equal to plus 0 plus or minus 2i, so a plus or minus ib, a equal to 0, b equal to 2. So solution complementary function e to the power of ax, c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx, a equal to 0 means e to the power of 0, c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x, e to the power of 0 x means e to the power of 0, that is 1. So complementary function equal to c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. That is complementary function. That is f of m equal to 0. We are getting complex roots. So solution e to the power of ax into c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx. Here a equal to 0, b equal to 2. So substituting we get e to the power of 0 x means 1, c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Next, particular integral 1 by f of d capital X, that is 1 by d square plus 4 x plus sin x. So here we have two functions, x is the one function and sin x is the one function. So separate two particular integrals, 1 by d square plus 4 of capital X and 1 by d square plus 4 of sin x. So in the first one we have to take least term is common, 4 is the common, 4 common means 1 plus d square by 4 and 1 by 4 outside, take it into the numerator, 1 plus d square by whole to the power of minus 1. Here we have sin ax means substitute d square equal to minus a square, it is second method, minus a means here 1, minus 1 square means minus 1, so minus 1 by minus 1 plus 4, that is sin x. Minus 1 plus 4 means 1 by 3 sin x. Here it is completed. It particular integral of 1 by d square plus 4 of sin x is over. We need to only identify this one. So expand this 1 plus d square by 4 whole to the power of minus 1 by using 1 plus d whole to the power of minus 1 formula. 1 minus d plus d square minus d cube plus dash. Instead of d we here have d square by 4. So 1 by 4 as it is, 1 minus d square by 4 plus d square by 4 whole square minus dash dash of x plus 1 by 3 sin x is same. And here x means we have to take up to d only, remaining terms are neglecting because second order, third order, fourth order derivatives of x are 0. Then neglecting d square d cube terms we get only here, only we have 1, means d terms means only 1 into 1 by 4 plus 1 into x plus 1 by 3 sin x. So particular integral, that is it is x by 4 1 by 3 sin x. So general solution of equation 1 is y equal to yc plus yp, complementary function plus particular integral, that is c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x plus x by 4 plus 1 by 3 sin x. It is the solution of the given differential equation. Next, let us move to next problem. Solve d square plus d minus 2 of y equal to e to the power of 2x plus x. So given differential equation d square plus d minus 2 of y equal to e to the power of 2x plus x. So compare equation 1 with f of d of y equal to capital X. We get f of d equal to d square plus d minus 2 and capital X equal to e to the power of 2x plus x. So general solution of equation 1 is complementary function plus particular integral, that is yc plus yp. So complementary function, solution of f of d of y equal to 0, that is auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0. So we get m square minus m square plus m minus 2 equal to 0. Factorization m square plus 2m minus m minus 2. In the first two terms m is the common, m plus 2. Second two terms minus 1 is common, m plus 2. M plus 2 is the common, we get m plus 2, m minus 1 equal to 0. So m equal to minus 2 comma 1. So general solution roots are real and different. c1 e to the power of m1x plus c2 e to the power of m2x. That is complementary function c1 e to the power of minus 2x, c2 e to the power of x. Next, particular integral yp equal to 1 by f of d, 1 by d square plus d minus 2 e to the power of 2x plus x. That is 1 by d square plus d, here 2 e to the power of 2x and x separate. So d square plus d minus 2 e to the power of 2x, 1 by d square plus d minus 2 of x. So e to the power of ax means d equal to a means here 2, substitute to 1 plus d square means 1 by 1, d square means 4 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 cancel. We get 1 by 4 e to the power of 2x. And here least term is here minus 2, x to the power of m form. Least term is minus 2. So minus 2 is the common. We get 1 minus d plus d square by 2. So bring this term into numerator, minus 1 by 2. 1 minus d plus d square by 2 whole to the power of minus 1 of x. And 1 by 4 e to the power of x minus 1 by 2. Expand this 1 minus d whole to the power of minus form. 1 plus d square plus dash dash. In the place of d we have d plus d square by 2. So 1 plus d square by 2 plus d square by 2 whole square plus dash dash. And here we have only x, so up to take d only. Remaining terms are neglecting. Here d only means up to 1 plus d by 2. Remaining terms will be neglected because higher order derivatives of x is 0. Next, only d by 2 we get 1 by 4 e to the power of 2x minus 1 by 2, 1 plus d by 2x, because neglecting remaining terms. So 1 by 4 e to the power of 2x, so minus 1 by 2 into 1 into xx, so 1 by 2 d of x. Derivative of x is 1, so 1 by e to the power of 2x minus 1 by 2 x plus 1 by 2. 2 is the LCM we get 1 by 4 e to the power of 2x. This step is not there. 1 by 4 e to the power of 2x, 1 by 2 is 2x plus 1. So 1 by 4 2x plus 1, that is 1 by 4 is outside totally. 1 by 4 into e to the power of 2x minus 2x minus 1. So general solution is y equal to yc plus yp, that is c1 e to the power of minus 2x plus c2 e to the power of x plus 1 by 4 into e to the power of 2x minus 1. It is the general solution. So here we got complementary functions means solution, complementary function plus particular integral. Here we have complementary function, roots are real and different, minus 2 comma 1. So general solution c1 e to the power of minus 2x, c2 e to the power of x. And particular integral, here we have two terms, e to the power of 2x plus x. So separate, first one e to the power of 2x, second one is the x. So separate in e to the power of 2x, d equal to a, that is 2. We get total substitution 1 by 4 e to the power of 2x, and here lowest term is minus 2. Take it minus 2 is the common and convert it into 1 minus d plus d square by 2 and bring this into numerator whole to the power of minus 1. So that is expand by using 1 minus d whole to the power of minus 1. We get all the pluses, only 1 plus d square by 2, and here we have x power 1 only, so up to d only. So if we simplify this one, 1 plus d by 2 plus d square by 2 and d square by 4 plus like that, we have to take 1 plus d, means 1 plus d by 2 only, then d plus 2 and differentiating term by term, and derivative of x is 1, and simplifying we get the answer, that is yp, and general solution complementary function plus particular integral. Next, move on to next problem. Solve d square minus 4d plus 4 of y equal to cos 2x plus x square. D square minus 4d of 4 of y equal to cos 2x plus x square. So given differential equation, d square minus 4d plus 4 of y equal to cos 2x plus x square, equation 1. Compare equation 1 with f of d of y equal to capital X, standard form. We get f of d equal to d square minus 4d plus 4 and capital X equal to cos 2x plus x square. Okay, here also we have two functions. So general solution of equation 1 is complementary function plus particular integral, that is yc plus yp. So for complementary function, so auxiliary equation means complementary function, that is, and the general solution of f of d of y equal to 0. So we need to find auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation means f of m equal to 0. F of m means m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0, means it is a square minus 2ab plus b square, 2 square. So m minus 2 whole square equal to 0. So m equal to 2 comma 2 means roots are real and equal. Real and equal means the general solution, that is complementary function c1 plus c2x e to the power of mx, that is c1 plus c2x e to the power of m means here 2, so e to the power of 2x, c1 plus c2x e to the power of 2x, it is a particular complementary function. Next, particular integral pi equal to 1 by f of d, 1 by f of d capital X, that is 1 by d square minus 4d plus 4 cos 2x plus x square, means here also 2 cos 2x separate 1 by d square minus 4d plus 4 cos 2x. Next 1 by d square minus 4d plus 4 of x square. So here substitute d square equal to cos ax, means in second method d square equal to cos ax method, d square equal to minus a square, a means here 2 minus 2 square means minus 4. If you substitute minus 4, 1 by d square plus minus 4 minus 4d plus 4 cos 2x, the plus 4 and minus 4 is cancel, 1 by minus 4d of cos 2x, minus 1 by 4 outside, 1 by d, 1 by d means reciprocal of d derivative, means that is inverse of d, that is integration, cos 2x integration sin 2x by 2, that will come next here. Next it is completed. Next here 1 by d square minus 4d plus 4, here least term is, means instead of directly taking least term, it is a minus b whole square, so d minus 2 whole square. Whole square means here least term is 2 minus 2. Minus 2 is the common. If you take minus 2 outside, minus 2 whole square means it will come 4. So 1 minus d by 2 whole square. D by 2, 1 minus d by 2 of whole square. And bring this 1 minus d by 2 whole square to numerator. We get 1 by 4, 1 minus d by 2 whole to the power of minus 2 of x square. And formula here cos 2x, and here we have to use the formula, here cos 2x integration sin 2x by 2. Next step, that is we have here minus 1 by 4 integration of cos 2x, that is cos 2x integration is sin 2x by 2, so it is minus sin 2x by 2 by 8. Okay, that is all. Next here expand this is 1 minus d whole to the power of minus 2 formula, so 1 minus d whole to the power of minus 1 formula, 1 minus 2d plus 3d square plus dash dash. Here d means it is formula, we have 1 plus all the places 1 plus 2d plus 3d square plus dash dash. Here instead of d we have d minus 2, so 1 by 4 as it is. Next 1 plus 2 into d by 2 plus 3 into d by 2 whole square plus 4 into d by 2 whole cube plus x dash dash x square. And here we have up to x square, means d square up to, we have to take up to d square only, remaining terms are neglecting because third order derivative d cube of x square d to the power of 4 of x square, all the derivatives are 0. So 1 by 4 as it is, up to taking up to d square terms only, 1 plus 2 cancel, here we get d, and whole square means 3 by 2 whole square means 4, d square by 4, that is 3 by 4, 3 into d square by 4 x square. Next term by term differentiating, minus sin 2x by 8, it is as it is. Next 1 by 4, 1 into x square d of x square, 3 by 4 of d square of x square, and d of x square as it is, d of x square means derivative of x square is 2x, 3 by 4 d square of x square means second order derivative of x square is 2, 3 by 4 of 2. So minus sin 2x by 8, that is 1 by 4 x square plus 2x, 2 cancel, 3 by 2. So 2 is the LCM, minus sin 2x by 8 same, 1 by 4 2x square plus 4x plus 3 by 2. We get here 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 means 1 by 8, 1 by 8 common, yp equal to 1 by 8 common means minus sin 2x plus 2x square plus 4x plus 3. Therefore general solution of equation 1 is yc plus yp, that is y equal to c1 plus c2x e to the power of 2x plus 1 by 8 minus sin 2x plus 2x square plus 4x plus 3. It is the solution. Complementary particular integral and solution. And means here we are getting Here f of d of y equal to capital X, we got f of d square minus 4d plus 4, and capital X is cos 2x plus x square. Solution is complementary function plus particular integral. In the complementary function, we got f of m equal to 0, we got roots 2 comma 2, that is c1 plus c2x e to the power of mx. M means here 2. Next particular integral, we have here 2, 1 by f of d of capital X means we have two functions cos 2x plus x square. So separate cos 2x is separate and plus x square is the separate. For cos ax we have to substitute d square equal to minus a square. X square means taking least term. Here a square means minus 2 square minus 4 substitution. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel, we get 1 by 4 d cos 2x. 1 by d means 1 by minus 1 by 4 outside. 1 by d of cos 2x means integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. Next here d square minus 2 whole square. So taking least term is common, minus 2 is outside, minus 2 it is whole square means it will come, minus 2 whole square means 4, 1 by 4 outside, 1 minus d by 2 whole square. Bring into numerator 1 minus d by 2 whole to the power of minus 2 we get. So expressing this by using formula 1 minus d whole to the power of minus 2 formula 1 whole to the power of minus 2 formula 1 plus 2d plus 3d square, that is we get 1 by 4, 1 plus 2 into d by 2 plus 3d by 2 whole square plus dash dash, and here we have up to x square only. So take up to d square because d cube d to the power of 4 means third order derivative, fourth order derivative, fifth order derivative of x square equal to 0. So we have to take only d square means these three terms only. Here 2 also cancel, we get 1 plus d plus 3d square by 4. Okay, and term by term 1 into x square d of x square, 3 into d square by 4 x square, and differentiating term by term we get x 1 by 4 of x square plus 2x plus 3 by 4 into 2 cancel by 2, 3 by 2. Simplifying we get particular integral. Here term by term, here derivative, here 2 cancel, here we get x square plus 2x plus 3 by 2, 2 is the LCM, and 1 by 8 in the both the terms, 1 by 8 is the common, we get that yp 1 by 8 minus sin 2x plus 2x square plus 4x plus 3 yc plus yp. So general solution y equal to c1 plus y equal to c1 plus c2x e to the power of 2x plus 1 by 8 minus sin 2x plus 2x square plus 4x plus 3. Okay, it is the solution. Here we got complementary function c1 plus c2x e to the power of 2x, and complementary function that 1 by 8 into minus sin 2x square plus 4x plus 3 plus yc plus y. Okay, up to now we discussed about pi of f of d of y equal to capital X, where capital X equal to x to the power of m, and solutions of the equation f of d of y equal to capital X, where capital X equal to x to the power of m. M is a positive integer. And if any queries, mail me on suresh.debadi@gmail.com. Okay, thank you.